Welcome back mga kapuso. We're back inside the Philoil Eco-Oil Center here in San Juan City, continuing our coverage of the NCAA Season 99, and at the half of our second game today, a Saturday doubleheader. It is the Letran Knights leading it by 7 points against the Mapua Cardinals. At nung nakaraang linggo, kung maaalala nyo mga kapuso, binigyan natin ng parangal ang ilang miyembro ng ating NCAA family na nagbigay din ng karangalan para sa ating liga at buong bansa after bagging a gold medal in the 19th Asian Games held in Hangzhou, China, of course, in the men's basketball tournament that ended the 61-year gold medal drought for the country. And today, ngayong hapon pong ito, meron pa tayong isang miyembro na paparangalan dito po sa ating coverage. But before that, allow me first to introduce the VIPs in attendance. Unahin po muna natin ang mga miyembro ng ating NCAA Management Committee, starting with the MANCOM representative of Arellano University, Mr. Peter Caico. Also here is the MANCOM representative of Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Father Victor Calvo Jr., OP. The chairman of NCAA Season 99 and also the MANCOM representative of JRU, Mr. Efren Jose Paul Supan. And from Mapua University, Mr. Melchor Divina. And now I would like to call on the chairman of NCAA Season 99, Mr. Paul Supan, to give out the plaque of recognition. And mga kapuso, our special guest will be presented a plaque of recognition for their outstanding achievement in sports as a member of the Philippine men's basketball team that won the gold medal in the 2023 Asian Games in Hangzhou, the People's Republic of China, bringing honor to the NCAA GMA community and the entire Philippines. Given this 28th day of October 2023 at the Philoil Eco-Oil Center in San Juan City and signed by Oliver Victor B. Amoroso, Senior Vice President and Head of GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy. Also signed by Sir Efren Jose Y. Supan, NCAA Season 99 Management Committee Chairman, and Dr. Vincent K. Fabella, NCAA Season 99 Policy Board President, with Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, Chairman and CEO of GMA Network Incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, mga kapuso, and of course, Philoil Eco-Oil Center, we'd like to present our plaque of recognition and appreciation to the team manager of Gilas Pilipinas, Mr. Al Francis Chua. Philoil, palakpakan po natin, Team Manager of Gilas Pilipinas, Sir Al Francis Chua. Boss Al, quick interview lang. First off, welcome back to the NCAA. It's been a while since we last saw you here. Pero sabihin na natin, lahat ng hawakan mo parang nagiging ginto. From 3 championships here in the NCAA, now bringing home the gold from the Asian Games. Ano yung sekreto? Paano mo ba na-accomplish to? Paano nyo ginawa to dun sa level na yon?
Una ho, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat at magandang hapon. Maraming salamat po sa NCAA. Dito ako nang galing sa NCAA, sa Letran. So, you know, I played in Letran. Siguro hindi pa ako kayo pinapanganak nung naglaro ako sa Letran. So, it's all hard work. We got 2 weeks to prepare for the Asian Games. But ang sikreto namin, Pinoy tayo eh. Ang Pinoy hindi sumusuko. Kaya nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng sumuporta sa amin. ang SVP, si Mr. Al Panlilio, si Mr. Ricky Vargas, of course, si MVP, saka si Boss Arisay. Siguro kaya nabuo yung team kasi mga nasa likod namin talagang nakasuporta sa amin kahit